has been changed.
In the beginning, yeah. In the beginning.
So we're doing an A to Z food challenge in which both of us, me and Manasvi Mangal over here, are going to eat food items.
Okay,
Starting from the letters A to Z.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
और अभी हम A ढूंढने जा रहे हैं.
Yeah, I think अमूल मस्ती से
I think we should go for apple juice.
और Aquafina. That. Let's go.
हैप्पी पिला के तुम्हें हैप्पी कर देंगे.
Few moments later.
हमें हैप्पी मिला नहीं वहाँ पे, मतलब बहुत महंगा था और मनस्वी को शेप से प्रॉब्लम थी हैप्पी की. मनस्वी, व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट दिस? कौन सी शेप है ये?
Uncomfortable shape. It looks like you somehow.
Shut the fuck up.
What? 12 seconds later.
तो अब हैप्पी हो गया है. तो Mana has our second thing for us. What is it, Mana? Take it out.
Oh yeah.
B से
We have brown.
brownie. ये शायद काफी wannabe antics by मनस्वी मंगल.
No, it's very tasty.
I think heat करते तो बेटर लगता है.
Heat हो गए मेरे पॉकेट में.
Not bad.
Now that
Mana, what are we eating?
we're eating chole and nangara.
This is a C and D.
This is bad. I don't want to have it.
I like it. मुझे पसंद.
We do.
कि Mana doesn't like healthy food, no. ये है क्योंकि उनको पता नहीं था कि ये एप्पी फिज़ नहीं है, एप्पी जूस है.
So bad. Yeah.
Why are you like this?
There's the sparkle, fizziness out.
Useless. She is 100% useless. तो किसी ने अभी बहुत अलग लेवल की बकवास करी है. मनस्वी मंगल, would you like to tell us what you just said?
I think कि दूध खा लेते हैं because जादू तो मैं हुई.
अबे बकवास करा लो बस. bullshit.
Stop it. Get some help.
So we've done A, B, C, D और हमारा पेट भर चुका है.
That also. नहीं मेरा नहीं भरा.
अच्छा झूठी.
I think Shauri is giving.
bullshit.
I am to all in for this.
अबे bullshit. 100% bullshit. We all know कि ज़्यादा appetite मेरी है as compared to this tiny human being over here. But each day we're still trying to find food. I wanted to have eclairs, but यहाँ पे ये देखिए. but इसका नाम चेंज हो गया है.
Okay.
Oh my god, overacting. Shut up, Prabhu, shut up. माना हम F से ढूंढ रहे हैं कुछ. F से कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है. यहाँ पे मैंने बोला कि फ्रूट एलर्जी
I don't
देते
like
हैं.
it. Sorry.
But Mana still doesn't like it.
Feast. That you can have.
Fruit and nut feast.
Fruit and nut feast is FNF. It's crazy.
Mana, have you lost your shit?
Yeah.
This tree is turning out to be pain in the east. So let's see what happens. So जो एक्स्ट्रा थी उसका बजट काफी एक्स्ट्रा था. और उसका फ्लेवर अच्छा था.
Who are you?
So we are going to buy इलायची flavored milk. अच्छा ये हमारे पास फैंटा है.
Let's try this. I haven't tried also.
This
But
is
I'll try grape flavor.
अंगूर grape.
I don't like it.
Okay.
Thank you.
ऐसे हम क्या ले रहे हैं फिर हम, और इससे पहले हम इलायची फ्लेवर्ड मिल्क पियेंगे.
One eternity later.
बट हमने एंड में सामान कुछ तो लिया है, सबको पता चल जाएगा क्या है. अभी हम
have
बताएंगे,
to
अभी
be
बताएंगे. After our toxic haul. Wait.
So I got a new toxic then.
Then after that we're having F, say Fanta, and then rest we tell you. We ended at D.
Yeah, that.
Mana, do you like the D?
That? Yeah.
Now we're having E. E से क्या है? Ilachi flavored milk. What is your perception about this? जज करते हुए जा रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Shake
Showing the
it.
D skills.
E. E
Oh,
skill.
sorry.
No! God, please, no! No!
Wish me luck. Smells.
जल्दी कर.
It's not that elaichi.
Yeah, but it's good. Like,
Yeah, it's sweet.
बस हो गया. E से पीने के बाद
अब मैं
Milk पीने के
फैंटास्टिक
बाद.
हो जाऊंगी.
I hate.
ऐसे दिखाएंगे.
तू ऐसे फेलियर हो जाएगी.
ऐसे मेरी लाइफ में फक हो जाएगा.
अच्छा घंटा.
30. Only Fanta. Just like us.
अंगूर flavored.
That only, no.
Manasi इस
Clearly,
कॉलेज
I'm into grapes.
में अंगूर खाते हैं.
Bad.
Sour grapes. चलो open.
Several bad puns later.
Seema ne opened. It's very important.
चलो have. कैसा है? तेरे को फिर एसिड. ऐसे लगा मैं हब्बा हब्बा खा रहा हूँ. हब्बा हब्बा याद नहीं है? हाँ. चलो ऐसा हो गया.
I can't say that, but then fine.
घटिया.
3 hours later.
Someone over here has reached the challenge.
No!
Someone who was too hungry, and when this innocent human being was studying in the library, someone could not control herself and ate gems without me. Is that someone? So I think I should punish her. Let me know. I will. Now I'm eating my gems without her because she doesn't deserve it.
No!
Now we have to eat something from Edge. और अभी हम यहाँ पे हाथ पे छुपे हुए हैं ताकि हम समझें कि हम बाहर का खाना खा रहे हैं. Hershey spread. Not the type of spread that I want, but yeah. यम्मी तो है.
मेरी तरह.
अभी चल. देना. Good scene. इतनी एक्स्ट्रा क्यों है ये?
It's as good as my heart.
ये क्यों है? इतनी अनवांटेड. बहुत अनवांटेड.
It's iced tea.
To the tea. It's iced tea. We are going shopping with. Hello Keshav. Keshav, wait. Keshav, say hi.
Hi guys, I'm
And-
Kesha.
Shut up. And this is our ride. Come on, come on. Prabhu, how are you feeling? Crazy. So now it's time for Jay. So,
ये तो ये होंगे.
Oh, अच्छा. Maka, I'm having a lollipop.
Not the kind of lollipop I want.
Now, as you can see, Mana's still eating her lollipop, so which means she's useless, but I'm not waiting for her. So, seriously, we're having kachori.
No, you're not.
Yes, I
I
am.
waited for you.
You didn't. So, she didn't have gems. So, I mean, she had
I'm
gems.
cute.
अभी चल. So, I'm having the kachori wrapping. So we're shopping right now. And Mana, what are we eating?
Yellow Lays.
L for Lays. And Mana's one of those she's one of those who likes the yellow Lays. I like the green one personally.
Because
But-
it suits our personality. I'm salty.
कितनी extra है ये? चलो either way, we're eating them.
Yeah.
Mana, please smile.
Go back out of her. Wanna see what happened? Tell her no. Tell her what happened. What is taking a toll on you? What are you craving? What do you want to eat? Are you realizing the importance of food in 24 hours? The importance of eating like a normal person and not eating chitter bitter.
Eventually,
Munchkin and crunch.
अभी चल अभी तो बस चैलेंज खत्म करना है. इरिटेट हो गए हम दोनों. कोई नहीं होता, बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है. नहीं रहा
Bye.
nutties for N. Mana's nuts for me.
Yeah, the only nuts I'm getting.
If Manasi's relatives see this video, I'm sorry that you raised such a desperate child. अब हम पियेंगे orange juice. Orange juice. खोलो चलो. Have it.
My favorite.
So P से we have paneer Kentucky. Q से we have quinoa chips. Quinoa puffs, whatever. R से we have rice. S से we have, what is the S से sandwich is just coming. And U से utpam. Yeah. So we're waiting for sandwich to come. तब तक हम उत्पम नहीं खा सकते and yogurt नहीं खा सकते, which is why. पर एक सीन से पहले हमें W भी खाना पड़ेगा व्हील्स.
Oh my god.
एक तो ये S is acting like such a cock block.
That's messy.
अब दिखा पैकेट दिखा पहले सबको. व्हीलोस W. अब इसमें
Okay, so here we are struggling for S and we have soya sticks, so this is our chip split. Bye. Some tikkies.
You're gonna get a.
now for we are having vanilla ice cream. Oh boy, अब तो बहुत हो गया.
Sanjeev, this is, don't do it. Don't try to get to.
Or if you do, it has to have proper planning. Mangal has broken the pact again. सबसे पहले इसने योगर्ट खाया. उसके बाद इसने व्हील खा लिया.
नहीं
तू
मैं दिखाता हूँ कौन सा व्हील है. ये यहाँ पे इसने ऐसे 2 दांत इसके दिख रहे हैं. यहाँ पे इसने खाया है. क्लियरली खाया है. झूठ नहीं बोला है.
I have eyewitness.
Having vanilla ice cream, just like Shorty's sex life. Vanilla ice cream.
Thank you, sir.
W.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
We have crossed my in time, and this is Yin Yang.
And this is A-bomb.
So why?
run. Minutes later.
Okay, so I'm back in the hostel, and this is my last food from Z. Yeah, that is Zar Bomb. And Shor is not here because of course I have a early in time. And just had that. It's so sad. Oh my god. Hi.
These people are getting to my head. This challenge is too much for me. I can't take it anymore. I think I'll jump off this auto. I can't do it. I'm really sorry. Thank you all. I love you.